Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled Yevamot Daf Yomi Yevamot Aleph. The Gemara introduces a very important concept. The Gemara writes that a Teruma and Bikkurim Chayav Mitah Bidai Shamayim. That Teruma and Bikkurim, someone is Chayav Mitah and Chomesh. Person is Chayav Mitah Bidai Shamayim. Who's Chayav Mitah Bidai Shamayim? A Kohen who's Tamai who eats it, or a Zar, a non-Kohen eats Teruma and Bikkurim. Chayav Mitah Bidai Shamayim. Very, very serious ramifications. The Rambam in Terumot Perek Vav Vav Zar Sha'achal Teruma B'Zadon Ben Sheyat Tamei Ben Sheyat Torah. Doesn't matter whether he's Tamei or not. A non-Kohen eats it. Ben Shachal Teruma Torah Ben Shachal Tamei Chayav Mitah Bidai Shamayim. He's Chayav Mitah V'Loka Al Chilata V'Einum Shalom Damei Mashachal She'Eino Loka Mishalem. If he does not pay because he's Chayav Mitah Bidai Shamayim, so when does he pay a chomesh? V'Yemacha B'Shgaga. And if he is B'Shgaga, then he would go ahead and pay a chomesh. And so too in Hilchot Bikkurim, the Rambam writes same thing regarding Bikkurim. That in Hilchot Bikkurim, that a person who eats a zar who eats the Bikkurim is Chayav Mitah as well, just like the Gemara states. It's very, very scary. Today, people in Eretz Israel, let's say they're not careful about eating Teruma. They don't tie their foods properly. So do we say Chayav Mitah? Very, very scary stuff. The Tosfos in Ksuvos talks about some people that did not make Aliyah. This is 1,000 years ago. Pachot Yoter, because the ramifications of the mitzvah Tluya B'Aretz, they cannot be careful about them. Many people challenge the Tosfos, come to Eretz Israel and learn the halachot and learn how to take Teruma and Maaser, Maaser Rishon, Sheni, Maaser Ani. Don't not come because of that. But the Tosfos mentions that because it's such a fear. Mitah Bidai Shamayim is very, very serious. In terms of the ramifications today, we don't have Mitah Bidai Shamayim. The Teruma, according to most poskim today, is d'Rabbanan. We don't have the majority of Jews here just yet. So the halachot of Teruma and Maaser are mid'Rabbanan. But once we have majority, which means Hashem, could be any year now, for the next couple of years probably, then we're going to have the mitzvah again of Teruma and Maaser D'Oraita. Now, those that say that Challah, first Challah depends on having rove majority of Jews here, but Teruma and Maaser is already D'Oraita now. So either way, whether it's D'Oraita or D'Rabbanan, of course, it's very, very serious, and we should be careful. Of course, if we have our own fruits and vegetables, be so careful how to take Teruma and Maaser and learn the halachot and go to Rav. And of course, when we buy fruits, vegetables out, to go and make sure we go to a place where there is a proper hashgacha. Shalom.